Hi guys, this is Bintang with student number 104. So this is the Q&A session where I will pick one by one questions here and I'll answer it. So this is the part 1. Let's go. The first question is, do you like the weather in your hometown? Yes, I do like it. Yeah. Next question. What is the weather usually like in your hometown? So it's related to the first question, right? So I'll answer it. The weather in my hometown, actually my hometown is Karangasem, but I will just describe you the weather in the place where I'm living now, which is Denpasar. So here usually like the weather is usually dry or hot and humid. And the first question is, I like the weather here. Actually, it's not like I like it a lot, but I just get used to it. So like, yeah, I do like it when it's not too hot, but I like dry weather, but not too much. Okay, thank you. Next question, please. What do you do in hot weather? Okay, what do I do in hot weather? Actually, like, I do nothing, because in hot weather it makes me like lazy to do something. Maybe I just drink ice, or like I do nothing. Actually, I just sit in front of fan and I'll be like, it's so hot in here. Okay, next question. Do you prefer wet or dry weather? I actually prefer wet, even though I said that I like hot weather, which is the weather in my place, but I actually prefer wet weather, because like when it's wet, I mean when it's rainy, it's cold, right? And I like it. I don't have to be like that. When I'm feeling cold, like when it's cool air, I'll just wear like clothes, right? Like more clothes, so it will not too cold for me. Okay. Next question. Do you like hot and dry weather? As I said, hot and dry weather is the usually weather here, like most all the time. It's not like I like it, but I just get used to it. But I like it like 50-50 when it's not too hot, because the laundry can be dry faster, right, when it's hot and dry weather. But personally, I like it, but not a lot, like just 70% or 60%. Thank you. Next question. Oh no, there's one more inside this. Okay, what's your favorite weather? My favorite weather is wet weather or rainy, but just drizzling, not pouring, because I hate it when I get wet all over my body when I go outside, and I just like being cold. Like I like cool air, but not getting wet, that's why. This is actually the same question. Okay, actually, last question in the first part is, do you like wet weather? Yes, I do, because wet weather is my favorite weather. What's your favorite weather? Okay, so I do like wet weather because it's cold, right? It's not hot when it's rainy, but not heavy rain. I don't like heavy rain. I just like drizzling, like light drizzling rain. Okay, the second part. Okay, this is the questions. Just go inside and shake it. first question. Do you think that weather affects people's behavior? Yes, for me, it does. Like, I think it does. Because when it's hot, people, me especially, my behavior will be like sensitive or rude a little bit, but not too much. Okay, so I think it does because the weather can affect your mood also. Okay. Next question. Do you think that the weather affects people's mood? This relate to the previous question, right? Yes, I think the weather affects people's moods because when it's hot, maybe people will be more like sensitive, as I said. Like when you, especially me, when in hot weather, I feel like, don't bother me like that. So I kinda in bad mood when it's hot. Next question. No, I didn't see it. Okay. Does air pollution affect the weather? Yes, it does, because air pollution can causing like climate change, and when the climate change, the world, like the earth will experiences what it calls like extreme weather. Yes, it does. Next question, the last question. What are some other examples of bad weather in the world? Okay, this is the last question. So I read two like bad weather, so I considered bad weather as extreme weather. So in Sahara Desert, like the temperatures, like it's going high, like it's so high at during the day it's 50 degrees Celsius and drop to 5 degrees Celsius when, at night. And also like the Great Plains in the North America, the temperature reaches 43 degrees Celsius during the day, during the summer, and during the winter it dropped down to minus 40 degrees Celsius. Like, so cold, right? And it's so hot during the summer. Okay, actually that's the last that's the third part. So the second part is this one, like just one question. Describe your favorite season. So my favorite season is rainy season or wet season, when it's not hot but it's not too like heavy rain, so it's a drizzling. Fun fact, guys, when I'm recording this, it's raining outside. So my favorite season is when it's wet season. Okay, during October until April, if I'm not mistaken, because it's so cold, and I just love wearing like hoodie when I sleep, but when it's hot I can't do that, and that's why I like what season or rainy season. Okay guys, that's all the questions are done. I answer it. Okay, that's all. Bye bye. See you on the next session.